Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for students. Canva provides a fantastic free education account for eligible students and teachers, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. You'll gain access to thousands of customizable templates perfect for presentations, posters, and social media graphics. Plus, you can easily collaborate on group projects with your classmates, making teamwork a breeze. It's a powerful tool to enhance your academic work. Getting started with Canva is straightforward. First, sign up using your official school email address to verify your eligibility for the free education account. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the intuitive user interface and your personalized design dashboard. You'll discover diverse design categories, from presentations to infographics, and can use the powerful search bar to find exactly what you need in just a few seconds. Now for the fun part, creating your first design. You can choose from a vast library of templates or begin with a blank canvas for total creative freedom. Customizing your project is incredibly easy. Simply drag and drop to adjust text, fonts, colors, and images. You can upload your own photos or select from Canva's extensive stock library, which contains millions of options. Add elements like shapes and icons to truly make it yours. Once your design is perfect, sharing it is effortless. You can easily share your completed projects with teachers or classmates by simply sending a link. Need a physical copy or a file for submission? Download your designs in various formats such as PDF, JPG, or PNG. For presentations, use Canva's built-in presentation mode for a seamless experience. Plus, you can receive and incorporate feedback collaboratively, making revisions quick and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.